Good afternoon, Dom Restoration and Roofing. I saw one of your vans the other day, and I tried looking you guys up online. Obviously, based on the page you're looking at, I finally found you. Now, the searches I did were Roof Repair Atlanta, Georgia, Roofing Company Atlanta, Georgia, and Roof Replacement in Atlanta, Georgia, since you guys are obviously in Atlanta. Now, your business doesn't show up on any of the map pack, which is this section here, for any of those key phrases. Nor does it show up in what we call the organic listings, which are these sections here: Mr. Roofer, Angie's Lift, Finlay Roofing, Atlanta Roofing Specialist. You don't show up on any of these sections at all. So because I'm in the SEO business, I thought I would share with you why your business doesn't show up on those key search phrases with Google. So what I did was a free SEO scan of your website, domroofing.com. The title tag is the first conveyor to Google as to what you want your site to rank for. In your case, you've got Roofing Company, Atlanta, Georgia, Roof Repair, Atlanta Roofing Contractor. Now, in most cases, if we did a live search, a live example, real-time example of a search, your website should show up number one with those key search terms. But this is a sponsored ad here. Obviously, it says sponsored. But yours doesn't show up down here because you have such a generic list of key phrases. So those are very tough words to rank for those key, those key words. Now, some of these guys are already showing up here, but yours doesn't show up, probably for that reason. They've got more SEO done on their websites, etc., and they're set up differently than yours. So if you're interested in showing up for key phrases like roof repair, roofing company, roof replacement, Atlanta, or other specific cities, we can do that as well. If these are not search terms that you want your business to show up for, and there's other search terms, then let us know what those are, and we can do a scan for those to see if maybe you show up for those, because these more popular ones you're not showing up for, and now at least you know why. As a business owner myself, if I wasn't showing up for key phrases that I wanted to show up for and there was something that could be done about it, I'd want to know. So if that's something you want help with, that's what we do. My name is JR with OMG Local SEO, and you can reply to this message or this email and get back with us, and we'll get you going on a new program. Thanks. At the very least, like I said, maybe you understand why you're not showing up for those key phrases.